beautiful people, welcome to Chantel's Foodventures, where we bring the adventure back into the kitchen. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. On today's episode, we're making one of the most important meals of the day, and that is breakfast. So let's get into it. Today we are having citrus French toast with vegan sausage. So we're going to start off making our vegan sausage. So I have a medium saucepan and I'm going to add some water, amino acid or liquid aminos, some nutritional yeast. Then I have a seasoning blend that is dried sage, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, cayenne and onion powder, and also some olive oil and maple syrup. So we're going to give this a stir and then add it to our stove and bring it to a boil. The liquid for our sausage is now boiling, so we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to just stir it a little bit, and then we're going to slowly incorporate some quick oats into the liquid, and we're going to let this sit for 5 minutes before we form them into our breakfast sausage patties. Our sausage mixture has rested for 5 minutes, and now it's time to form. Because the mixture is very hot, we are going to use an ice cream scooper to form it. I also have my oven preheating at 350 degrees, and I have a greased sheet pan. So we're just going to scoop it out, place it on the sheet pan, and I'm going to use a spoon to flatten it out so I don't burn my hand. And then we're just going to keep on doing that until we finish our mixture. Our sausage patties are now formed, so we're going to transfer it to the oven and bake it for 15 minutes, and then flip them and let it go for another 10. And now we're going to move on to our citrus French toast. For our citrus French toast, we are going to need a mixer. I'm personally using my Vitamix. I do actually have this Vitamix linked in my online store that showcases all of my favorite Amazon finds, and as an Amazon associate, I do earn commissions off of qualifying products. So we're going to take the lid off of our Vitamix or blender, and we're going to put in 1 cup of our water. And then we're going to put in our cashews, and we're going to blend that until smooth. And then add in the rest of our other ingredients. For the rest of the ingredients, we have the remainder of our water. We have some whole wheat pastry flour. Then we have our orange juice, some dates. We have a mixture of cardamom and coriander. And then some vanilla extract. And then we're going to blend this all together until it is smooth. Our liquid mixture for our French toast is now blended smooth, so we're going to take it and pour it into a shallow pan. And this is going to act as our egg mixture for our French toast. And then for me, I'm going to be using Ezekiel bread as my toast of choice. You can use any whole grain bread that you like. We're just going to take the bread, probably start off with 4, and then we're going to drop it in our mixture, get it a nice saturation, and then we're going to transfer it over to our griddle and let it cook until it is golden brown on both sides. I'm just going to skim off any extra liquid, and then we're just going to fry them up. Our French toast is ready, so it's time for plating. So I'm going to get my French toast and line them up. And then I also have some berries here, so I'm going to put some blueberries and also some strawberries. Just gonna throw them wherever they land. And I'm gonna put our strawberry. And then I also have a little bit of powdered sugar here, so we're just gonna pour that in. And then give it a nice little tap over our French toast. And then I'm going to add our sausage. And there you have it, our citrus French toast with our vegan sausage. What's really awesome about this recipe is that it's completely plant-based, so there's no dairy, there is no eggs, there's nothing. So it is a very hearty and healthy breakfast. So I hope you guys enjoy this